The biggest news that we're tracking for you at this hour comes in from West Bengal. The West Bengal CID has issued a second notice to TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee and has summoned him to appear before the CID office at the West Bengal Police Headquarters, Bhavani Bhavan, on June 8 at 12 noon. This comes as part of an ongoing investigation as per the officials. Let's in fact with that look at what the official sequence of events is that has been produced by the CID. So let's take a look. We'll put out this in fact official sequence of events that has in fact been put out by the CID. Let's in fact zoom in a little bit and look at this notice. So this is a note that has been given out by the CID on the Harre Street police station case number. They've given the case number and the sections under the BNS. Now they've mentioned the sequence of events. First it starts on 9th of May. Abhishek Banerjee, General Secretary of the AITC or the All India Trinamool Congress, intimated the Honorable Speaker of West Bengal Legislative Assembly that the party had chosen Sovandev Chattopadhyay as the leader of the opposition and Asima Patra and Nayana Bandyopadhyay as the deputy leaders of opposition and Farid Hakim as the chief whip. So this happened on 9th May. After that, the CID writes that on 18th May, the Principal Secretary of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly wrote to Abhishek Banerjee saying that the Honorable Speaker had asked for submission of the minutes or the resolution of the meeting of the AITC Legislative Party along with the signatures of the attending MLAs where such a decision was taken. They were saying, the TMC was saying that on 9th May this decision was taken. So the Principal Secretary of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly actually asked them on 18th May to give or produce the minutes of the meeting and submit that book of resolution that has the signature of all the TMC MLAs. After that, what happened was on 20th May, Abhishek Banerjee then sent a reply to the Honorable Speaker enclosing a copy of the meeting resolution book along with the attendance sheet that contained the signatures of the members who were present for the concerned meeting held on May 6th, 2026. It is mentioned that 70 MLAs were present in the meeting. So then 2 days later, we have Abhishek Banerjee submitting this letter saying that and also the resolution and the letter that they have signatures of around 70 MLAs. He submitted it to the Speaker. Then on 27th May, 2 MLAs of the Trinamool Congress submitted a complaint to the Honorable Speaker alleging that no resolution was adopted with regards to selection of LOP on May 6th and that they had signed in the meeting resolution book on 19th. The complaints alleged that the resolution dated 6 May was manufactured and fabricated. The complaint mentioned that as many as 14 signatures were in block letters. So now then 7 days later we have TMC MLAs only coming to the fore stating to the West Bengal Speaker that we had not signed on the 6th this book. This book was actually brought to us on 19th and remember that it was on 18th that the Principal Secretary of the West Bengal Assembly had sought these signatures. Then the very next day these TMC MLAs are alleging that their signatures were sought in this book. As many as 14 signatures were in fact in block letters and they are now saying that the resolution that had taken place on May 6th of appointment of the LOP and the Chief Whip was manufactured and fabricated. These are the allegations that the TMC MLAs have themselves come forward with. Then on the same day, which is 27th, the Principal Secretary of West Bengal, a complaint was registered at the police station on charges of cheating, on forgery and criminal conspiracy. So these are the charges that have been in fact registered in this FIR. And then the CID the next day assumed charge of investigating this case. After that, let us look at how the CID actually has said that we have recorded the statements or audio visual recording has been done of these following 13 MLAs and they are saying that these were the MLAs whose signatures were in block letters. So, these are the bone of contention. Then they have also stated that since there were 14 signatures in block letter, one of them was of Samar Mukherjee, who is MLA from Ratua, who could not come for the statement recording because of unavailability. Now, he will be in fact examined by the CID in a day or two. Then the CID goes on to in fact name all these MLAs, the 13 MLAs who have in fact recorded their audio visual statements, and Baharul Islam, he is an MLA from Kaningpurba, Chandranath Sinha, MLA from Bholpur, Arup Roy, MLA from Howrah Madhya, Tapas Maiti, MLA from Domjur, Naina Banerjee, MLA from Chauringi, Tapas Mandal, MLA from Rai Dighi. And let's look at the next few names. We have Subhashis Das, MLA from Mahesh Tala. We have Toraf Hussain Mondal, MLA from Kumarganj, Dinain Roy, MLA from Kharagpur, Kunal Ghosh, MLA from Belia Ghata, Abdul Aziz, MLA from Lal Gola, Tosifur Rahman, MLA from Basir Uttar, and Abdul Mateen, who is an MLA from Howrah. Now, of these, what the CID is stating is that Baharul Islam, who is the MLA from Kaningpurba, Arup Roy, who is the MLA from Madhya Howrah, and Subhashis Das, who is the MLA from Mahesh Tala, have categorically stated under proper videography that the signatures in the meeting resolution book dated 6 May are not there. So, 3 of these MLAs have themselves said on camera during investigation of the CID that this is not their signature, this is recorded. And then the MLA of Kaningpurba, which is Baharul Islam, actually further stated that he was not even present at the meeting. He was at his residence in Bhangar on May 6 when this meeting actually took place, and he said that he was not in Kolkata, he did not attend that meeting. So, then CID served a notice to Abhishek Banerjee on 30th May, directing him to appear before the investigation officer on June the 1st with the original meeting resolution book that was dated May 6th. He then sent a letter, which is Abhishek Banerjee sent a letter to the investigating officer through his advocate seeking a fortnight's time, citing that he is ill because of the incident that happened at Sonarpur where he was allegedly attacked. So, these are the details, this is the sequence of events that has been listed out by the CID, very clear statements, proof also given by the CID in this statement. Let me go across to my colleague Renik Datta, who joins us on the broadcast for more information on this front. Renik, CID ने बहुत ही कैटेगोरिकली, बहुत ही स्ट्रक्चरली, बहुत ही क्लियरली स्टेट कर दिया गया है कि अब तक ये पूरे टीएमसी एमएलए सिग्नेचर फॉर्जरी केस में क्या क्या हुआ है। स्टार्टिंग से वो लोग ने पूरा सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स बताया है, 6 तारीख को क्या हुआ, 18 तारीख को क्या हुआ, 19 को क्या हुआ जब सिग्नेचर्स जो टीएमसी एमएलएज अलेज कर रहे हैं लिया गया, फिर 20 और 27 को क्या हुआ, और फाइनली 30 तारीख को जो नोटिस दिया गया था अभिषेक बैनर्जी को कि 1 तारीख को वो प्रेजेंट हो। उसके बाद अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने अपने एडवोकेट के थ्रू बताया कि उन्हें फोर्टनाइट का टाइम चाहिए क्योंकि वो बीमार हैं, क्योंकि जो सोनारपुर में घटना हुई थी उसकी वजह से वो पेश नहीं आ सकते। अब सीआईडी ने 8 जून का उनको मौका दिया है कि 12 बजे वो आए पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स और वो ये रेजोल्यूशन, ओरिजिनल जो रेजोल्यूशन बुक है 6 तारीख का, वो साथ में लेके आए। रैनिक,
ये जो फेक सिग्नेचर मामला है, इस मामले को अगर देखा जाए तो सीआईडी की तरफ से जो एसआईटी तैयार किया गया है, उस एसआईटी की तरफ से जो जांच किया जा रहा है, उस जांच में कब से क्या हुआ है पूरा टाइमलाइन जो है वो ऑलरेडी सीआईडी की तरफ से प्रोवाइड किया है, जिसमें सीआईडी की तरफ से मेंशन किया जा रहा है कि किस तारीख को ये चिट्ठी आया था, ये चिट्ठी कहाँ आया था और पास आया था, किनके माध्यम से आया था। कल शुभेंदु अधिकारी की तरफ से जो कि पुलिस मिनिस्टर है, उनके तरफ से स्पष्ट किया गया है कि ये पूरा घटना के पीछे तृणमूल कांग्रेस का 2 एमएलए का चिट्ठी है। 2 एमएलए मिलकर एक चिट्ठी वेस्ट बंगाल लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का जो स्पीकर उनके पास दिया था। उनके पास देने के बाद वो लेटर में उनकी तरफ से जिक्र किया गया था कि जो रेजोल्यूशन कॉपी तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से अभिषेक बनर्जी का साइन करते हुए जवाब किया गया था, वो रेजोल्यूशन कॉपी में जो 70 एमएलए का सिग्नेचर था, उसमें से 14 एमएलए का सिग्नेचर फ्रॉड किया गया है, क्योंकि उस दिन कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुआ था और उस तरीके का कोई मीटिंग में ये लोग अटेंड नहीं किए थे। और उसके बाद ही अगर देखा जाए तो उसके बाद ही जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन सीआईडी के हाथ में पुलिस मिनिस्टर शुभेंदु अधिकारी की तरफ से दिया गया था। और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन में सीआईडी की तरफ से एक एसआईटी तैयार किया गया है, जिस एसआईटी का नेतृत्व दे रहे हैं डीसीपी रैंकिंग ऑफिसर, उनके तरफ से ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे एमएलए को जिनका सिग्नेचर था, उनको पूछताछ किया गया है, उनका बयान रिकॉर्ड किया गया है, उनका बयान रिकॉर्ड के टाइम में वीडियोग्राफी भी किया गया है, और उसके साथ साथ ही उनका जो सिग्नेचर, वो सिग्नेचर एक्सपर्ट को देकर जांच भी किया गया है। उस दौरान सीआईडी का हाथ लगा है कि 3 एमएलए की तरफ से कबूल किया गया है कि ये पूरा घटना के साथ वो लोग शामिल नहीं थे, वो लोग उस तरीके का कोई मीटिंग में अटेंड नहीं किए थे, उनकी तरफ से कोई रेजोल्यूशन कॉपी में सिग्नेचर नहीं किया गया था, उनका सिग्नेचर जो है वो फ्रॉड किया गया है। और ये पूरा मामले पर ही 30 तारीख को अभिषेक बनर्जी को पूछताछ के लिए सीआईडी की तरफ से नोटिस किया गया था। अभिषेक बनर्जी की तरफ से बताया गया था कि 31 तारीख को सुबह 12 बजे भवानी भवन यानी सीआईडी का जो हेड ऑफिस, उस ऑफिस में जाकर वो बातचीत में शामिल होंगे। मगर 30 तारीख को दोपहर को शोलापुर में पहुंचने के बाद अभिषेक बनर्जी के ऊपर जो हमले का घटना घटा, जिसमें अभिषेक बनर्जी घायल हुए थे और अभिषेक बनर्जी खुद के घर में अंडर ट्रीटमेंट में है, तो इसी दौरान वो 31 तारीख को नहीं पहुंच पाए। और 31 तारीख को नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे, ये बात को जनाते हुए उनके तरफ से उनका लॉयर के माध्यम से एक लेटर सीआईडी के पास भेजा गया था, जिस लेटर पर उनकी तरफ से अपील किया गया था उनको पूरा टाइम दिया जाए, वो बीमार है और वो नेक्स्ट जो डेट दिया जाएगा उस डेट पर जाएगा। उसके बाद ही कल शाम को फिर से सीआईडी का टीम पहुंचे थे अभिषेक बनर्जी के घर में। अभिषेक बनर्जी को और एक सेकेंड नोटिस जो है वो सीआईडी की तरफ से सर्व किया गया है। 8 तारीख को सुबह 12 बजे भवानी भवन यानी सीआईडी का जो हेड ऑफिस, उस ऑफिस में आने के लिए भी कहा गया है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पूछताछ के लिए। यानी ये पूरा मामले पर जो खुलासा है वो सीआईडी की तरफ से किया जा रहा है।
जी बिल्कुल रनिंग, धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। With that, viewers, we are now shifting focus.